Today we are going to be making cold pesto pasta salad. It's not only easy, it's also very healthy and it's very quick to make, less ingredients. You can make it ahead of time and keep it in the fridge and it's gonna stay good for like 4 to 5 or 6 days. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Ingredients for this recipe and direction will be in the description box below, so don't forget to go and check it out. And without any further ado, let's get started. Oh my god, it was so delicious and refreshing. It hardly took me like 5 minutes to make it, minus the pasta boiling time, and boil it to al dente. Anyways, that is it for today. I wanted to share this recipe and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then,